Good evening. I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And today I'm working on week 5 of Margarete Miller's collage assignments. Today I need a dictionary page, something I can't do without, which is also my wrapping paper, which is nature, birds and flowers and critters and such. Something crinkled is going to be this. I'm going to draw a sketch of something on it, and something circular. Maybe I'll draw a sketch on something circular. Maybe it will be this that's circular with crunched up, crinkled. Oh, wait, I forgot. I have this as a sketch. I forgot I had a sketch. This is a copy of, well, a little scrap of a copy of a house plan sketch from one of my ancestors way back in the 1800s. So I'm going to use that as my sketch. I forgot I had that. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put, I'm going to make this smaller, and I'm going to make the other half this paper, the wrapping paper, and I might go ahead and cover that up because you can still see it with some of this crinkly stuff, but it's also got to be I need a circle, so I have to figure out my circles. I don't think this is going to work cutting out like this, but it might if I put it on top of something like this. Let's check that out. I'll do it both ways. Maybe one way will work. This way. Oh, that worked. Okay, so there's my crinkled circle. And I know exactly what I'm going to do with that now, actually. I'm going to put a stamp of an animal on there. I am going to cut this down a little bit. Right there. Try to be as straight as I can. And I might make it swordbill. Isn't that funny? It's a bird. A swordbill is a bird. Cool. I'm going to ink this up. That's going to go like that. Maybe a little bit thinner. And my wrapping paper is going to go under there. And then here are my other elements. Alright, so I need to carefully cut this up because I don't want to ruin this whatsoever. I wonder, I want the bird and the bird nest in it. I'll do my best. I bought this wrapping paper at the Mockingbird Paperie in Ithaca, New York. And let me tell you, they have some gorgeous things in there. I didn't film inside, but maybe next time if I ever go back. It is about 2 to 2.5 hours away from us, but I don't know. I don't know. I didn't do that right, did I? I didn't cut that right. Oh no. What if I ditch that for now and I put this as my background? I will have the birds on it. Let's see. Maybe I'll get a different dictionary page for the bottom. Or I could, I suppose, just put it on upside down. People do that all the time, although I have a hard time doing that. Alright, now let's cut this with the cutter. I will get this cut out and another piece of dictionary page and be back. So I have decided that I'm going to use my children's dictionary book page, and I went to the word nature, so I'm going to cut that out. And I'm just going to kind of make a cluster with that and the sketch and the circle. So I think that would work out good. Let's find out. Trying to cut this as straight as I possibly can. I'll ink it up and we'll see how it looks. I think this is not straight. I think if I keep doing it, I'm just going to make it worse. So we're gonna leave that like that. Oh, there's a coyote. Could have used them and him in there. Okay, so I've got this, I've got this, and I've got this. This is my sketch, my dictionary page, and my circular thing. So I'm obviously going to put this down here somehow. Let's get this sketch kind of like that. I have to put my little stamp on here, and I think I will put something that I know is going to work. I got some new ones, but some of them don't work that great. I haven't used this porcupine. Let's check him out. I haven't tried this one, I don't think. Maybe I have. Is he on here? Oh yeah, there he is. Let's do it again. Oh, he's cute, but I've also got the deer. I use the deer a lot. Fox. I'm going to go with the porcupine. Why not? And because, or hedgehog. Uh-oh, my circle is missing. Where'd it go? Because I don't use it I don't use porcupines or hedgehogs hardly ever. So let's do it. Okay, that came out okay. You can tell what it is, and then we're going to ink this up. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this in one big long piece. I might do it in 3 sections. Let's see how it looks first. Alright, it's actually too big for the page. So, I think I'm going to cut it right here and here. And we'll put it on in 3 different sections. And I think that will look better. To ink the rest of it up. Oh, almost too close. So it'll go on like this. I think that's better, yeah. Alright, but I do have to finish inking this now. Alright. Alright, so I ordered a new shelf for, like, Bethany still has a lot of, like, little knickknacks and things here that she likes to look at when she comes and games. And it was they were on open shelves, and the grandkids were kind of getting into them a little bit too much and scattering all the pieces, and I was afraid they were going to get lost. So I ordered this, and I don't love it. The one that was on it, my husband handmade. It was solid wood. I'm putting it in my bedroom, but it had no doors on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. My son, actually, I came home from my husband's doctor's appointment, and he was putting this together already. So it's all together. And which way should I put this? I think it's this way. And I'm going to, I have wallpaper on one wall in the room that it's in. So I'm going to put wallpaper on the back panel of it, you know what I mean? And maybe put a little extra trim on it. I think, how does this look? It's hard to tell because it keeps moving around. Maybe I will put the hedgehog like that. And then this can go here, here, and here. I think that's my best bet. So let's glue down him first. Yeah, that's the first like piece of furniture that I ordered that I don't like, really. It's cheap looking, unfortunately, but I guess, you know, you get what you pay for, right? Okay, so we're going to crinkle it up. And I'm going to put glue on it because it's got to be crinkled. A crinkly circle, which I can crinkle it up even more when I glue it down. So there's my crinkly little hedgehog. Okay, and then this is going to go next. This little sketch. This was a pencil sketch too. It wasn't a blueprint. So it was definitely a sketch. I don't even know if they had blueprints back then, did they? Probably not. So that's going to go there. And then this is my dictionary page. Alright, so we'll put... I don't really want to cover up that much of the, you know, the sketch. Alright, so this is going to go here. Yeah, we'll put this here like that. Actually can cut this off a little bit and make it smaller. And just ink it. Oops, ink that up. Alright. So, nature is the whole world, all things except those made by man. That's pretty cool. So, there we have it. We have my dictionary page. Well, I didn't use the whole page. Something I can't do without is nature. A crinkled circle, the drawing and the sketch, and the wrapping paper. So I even have the bonus. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my free downloadable vintage ephemera. Like this one's, I hope I can find to actually get up there again. But it's all downloads of personal ephemera passed down to me by my ancestors. So check it out. They're free to show my appreciation to all you viewers and followers and subscribers and such. And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.